Good morning, guys. So we are out here at Mount Walker. We have gotten a bit of a later start, but that's okay. There's a lot of people at the trailhead here, and the road is actually closed. But Luke and I are going to book it up to the top. Hopefully we've got some views still. We're looking forward to it. We're out here. It's a nice Saturday. It's not raining or snowing or cold or anything. It's a lot of people, and let's go past them. So we are up at the top of Walker. We're at the north viewpoint right now. We are currently making our coffee. It is freezing up here. We're really cold. It looks like actually coffee's done. Alright, so we made the coffee. We are all set here. Luke's getting a little bit warmer. Yeah, this is kind of nice. It's we've got the whole place to ourselves except for these little birds here. If you grab stuff off the ground and you hold your hand out, these birds will actually come to your hand, and then voila. Yeah, so we got Summit, we got some photos, we got some coffee, we're warmed up, except for our hands are freezing. So with that being said, we are gonna hike out and go jump in the car and get warm. We took some photos of Luke for profile pictures for, what was that for?
Oh, it was for a concert I'm playing soon.
This man is a wizard on the piano, so we got him some image profile pictures for his concert. That's gonna be rocking awesome. We'll find out the details about that and hopefully get some video of that. So we will see you guys at the car, and we'll have a safe hike out, hopefully. Alright guys, so we have gotten down from the trailhead, and it is nice because it's just about to start raining. Drizzling a little bit, but nothing too serious. We have made it back to the cars. We will catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy!